Hey guys, so you're welcome once again to this YouTube channel. My name is Okemuti Fole. Today's video I want to show you how you can power clip inside a circle, a frame or a phone. Okay, like a phone mock-up. How do you power clip into them? So that's what I'm going to show you today. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to also hit the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is how to power clip inside a circle frame. So what you're going to do now is to come to elements and you're going to search for frames. So search for frames. Okay, so when you search for frames, you're going to see circles like this in various formats. Okay, so any of them that has this kind of green background, just know that you can actually power clip into it. Okay, so I'm just going to select the circle and you can see it right here. So the next thing I want to do is to go and look for an image that I already have here in my work. Okay, so I'm going to bring this image now. Okay, so can you see this image? So this image is here. So if I want to power clip the image into the circle, all I need to do is to just hover it in the front of the circle. Can you see now? So it has taken the shape of the circle. So you just leave it and you see I've been able to power clip this image inside a circle. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is on a phone. So this particular frame also, keep scrolling, you are going to see phone size. So you can see this phone here now. Let me just reduce this size here. So you see this phone here. How do you power clip into this phone? So go to upload again and get any image you want to put inside. Okay, so let's say, okay, I want to put this particular image inside this mock-up. Okay, so once I hover it, you're going to see it now. So can you see this image is inside the phone already? Okay, so that's for this. Now let's go and check for other frames again. Go to elements and I'll show you this laptop, this desktop I mean to say. So this is a desktop, so I'll just go to my uploads again to get any image I want to put there. So let's say I want to put this on there also. So you can see, so this is how, if you want to change the color of this desktop, you can just click on the colors here and you can change them to any color of your choice. Can you see what I'm doing now? I just change it to any color of my choice and we are good to go. So that is how you power clip into a frame of any type. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you haven't watched my video on how to blur images and add effect to your test, please click on the screen right now so you can watch that particular video. See you.